see how you're feeling because I feel like shit. Hell yeah, that's the only one I'm gonna do. I'm still nursing 3 broken fingers in the left hand, so I can't play guitar, but next week I'm gonna try it. One more acapella week. I just got out of the hospital. Well, I escaped from the hospital. Multiple organ failure. Because I ain't gonna miss the range. I ain't afraid of a little pain. Can I get some volume out here, please, brother? Okay. Slabbers in the night, while we were nerping, someone pulled a knife. My trailer's burning. Slabbers in the night. Fuck around and find out. 5-4. And if you brag about your ground score or your kick down from the free slab, if you still wearing your bracelet cause you just escaped from rehab, you're a slabber in the night. A slabber in the night. Slabbers in the night. Non-binary eyes are so inviting, but if you steal my pipe, we are still fighting. Slabbers in the night. Some tweaker stole my meth. And if you stay here long enough, you'll learn that they're not yours, it's just your turn. Well, it's our turn, so hold my hand, and we can watch the world burn. Slabbers in the night, how do they do it? If you're broke, it's fine. It's free if you boof it. This place occupied by slabbers in the night. Whether you've been here for a lifetime or just camping for the weekend, better watch that slabber daddy. He's a shady Puerto Rican. Oh, shadow people hide out in the washes. Hidden cameras spy. Big brother watches. Mushroom clouds they rise. Near slabbers in the night. These fucking bomber flies surround us. Can I swig off your not water? Haven't seen you here before. Now please show me your asshole, sir. Slabbers in the night, while we were nerping, someone pulled a knife. My trailer's burning, running for your life. From slabbers in the night. Thank you.